So I wanted to talk a little bit about what not to do with your gel plate. Your gel plate is an extremely versatile tool. You can do a ton of things with it, but there are a few things that you will want to watch out for because you don't want to ruin your plate. So the first thing I would say is nothing sharp. So I mean, you can use paint, you can use brayers, you can use different kinds of tools to move the paint around, but stay away from anything sharp. So that means no X-Acto blades, no sharp pens like ballpoint pens or pencils or anything like that. No scissors, just make sure that you keep that surface nice and blemish free, because any mark or indent that comes in your gel plate will show up in your final artwork. So that being said, the other thing I would really watch out for is heat tools. I know in mixed media work it's really common to use like a hair dryer or a heat gun to dry paint faster, but in this case, no, you don't want to, because the last thing you want to do is mar that surface, because as I said, it will show up in your final prints. When I do need to make things dry faster, what I do is I fan it with a piece of paper. I also usually have 2 gel plates on the go at once, so that when I'm working on one and need to let it dry, I can just set it aside, work on the other one, and bring it back when it's dry and continue. So yeah, there's not a lot you can't do with a gel plate, but those are the things I would watch out for is sharp things and heat. So those are the big no-nos. All right, see you soon.